Good afternoon guys. So in this session we will see how to insert a node after the given data in case of doubly linked list. Right. So if you're not aware of how to insert the beginning end, go to my previous lectures. Fine. So now this time I want to insert the node after the given data. So let's suppose this is my node 40 and I want to insert this node after the data value 20. So my data is 20. I want to insert this node after 20. Fine. Let's suppose the address is 400 and this is my PTR. Okay. So first, let's see the basic concept, how we're going to do this. So you want to insert this node after the given value, data value 30. So tell me guys, what address gonna be here? Since it will come between 20 and 30, so this is RPT, it is containing the address of next node, so this is the next node. You want 300 here, fine, right? And this is your LPT, it should contain the address of previous node. So what you want 200 here, fine. So any other change? Definitely, since this node will come after this node, so RPT of this node should contain the address of next node. So here comes what? 400. Any other change? Yes. We want to change this also because LPT should contain the address of previous node. Now this is your previous node. If you want to insert it after 20, so here you want is 400. Fine. But the most important thing is that you guys have to target this address 200. This address is important because 300, this 300 address you can get 200 RPT is 300, so that is available, that is no issue at all. But this 200, how will you get 200? You will have to traverse till 200. So I'm going to take one more pointer, CPT, I'm going to traverse this pointer to the address where your data value 20 is available. Fine. And let me take one more data type into data. So I will scanner %d comma address of data, and let's suppose if I'm entering data to be 20, I want to insert a node after this data value 20. Right. So far so I have created this node. I have assigned the info part. I have taken a data as a data type integer. I have taken input data as 20. Now I have taken one more pointer CPT. Right. So I want to move this pointer, initialize this pointer. So let's suppose first initialize this pointer, CPT is equal to first, so the value of the CPT is now 100. So your CPT is pointing at 100. Now I want to move this CPT till the address where your data value 20 resides. So we're gonna move this till 200. So we have to compare data. So we can compare data with only the info part because the data is integer. So I am writing while CPT arrow info not equal to data. Right. So when CPT arrow info is not equal to data, I am going to move my pointer. So CPT is equal to CPT arrow RPT. So let's see what happens when you write this code. So when I am writing this code, CPT arrow info is 10. 10 not equals to 20 condition is true. CPT is equal to CPT arrow RPT. CPT is pointing at 100. 100 arrow RPT is now 200. 200 info is 20, 20 not equal to 20 condition is false, and you will come out of the loop. So at this point of time your CPT is pointing at what? 200. So now your CPT moves to 200 which you wanted, and the most important thing which you wanted. Okay, fine. Now we're going to do 4 things. 1 address change, 2 address change, 3 and 4. 4 address changes are required. So we're going to write the 4 corresponding syntax. So first thing, what we will write, we will try to fill this block which are empty, and I told you so many times. So I want 200 in the LPT of my PTR. So I will write after this while loop finishes here, PTR arrow LPT. I want here what? 200 and 200 is my CPT. So I will write CPT. Here comes your 200. One thing time. Now I want 300, right? I want PTR arrow RPT. This is nothing but your RPT. I want 300 here. So how can you get 300? 300 is your CPT arrow RPT. This is your CPT. You can access this 300 from this 200 to CPT arrow RPT is your 300. So I will write CPT arrow RPT. This is also done. Here comes your 300. Now you want 400 here, right? So how are you going to write 400? So this is CPT. So what you will write? You will write, so this is my first step, first change, this is my second change, and here I am writing my third statement. I want 400 here. So how will I write this? I will write CPT arrow RPT is equal to PTR. So here comes your 400. This is also done. Now I want the 400 here, but 300 is lost now. Can you get 300? Yes, you can get 300 from your PTR. So write, and you want, see, look at this very carefully. Now you want to change this block, right? So first try to reach 300. How do you reach 300? PTR arrow RPT. First time I am writing PTR arrow RPT. So when I am writing PTR arrow RPT 300, so I am reaching till 300. Fine. Now I want to change this block, this LPT block of PTR arrow RPT. So write PTR arrow RPT arrow LPT. This is very important, guys. PTR arrow RPT arrow LPT. PTR is 400, RPT is 300. So PTR arrow RPT is 300, which will take you to this node. And you want to change the LPT of this. So PTR arrow RPT arrow LPT. You move to this block and you are going to change this to 400. And you know 400 is nothing but your PTR. So you change it to PTR. So here now it comes 400. I think it's easy, right? Once you get your concepts right, once you make the diagram, once you make sure that what all addresses are required, so you have to simply write the corresponding syntaxes so that you can get the particular value to a particular block. That is what is required in this case. So I hope it is clear, guys. Fine. Thank you guys and keep smiling. Good day.